Hello dear student, welcome back to the physics lecture. So in today's video, we will discuss or we will study your BSc third semester, in that the continuation of geometrical optics. So see here, in that we will see the next concept, that is what? Fermat's principle of stationary time. So what is the Fermat principle of stationary time? So see here, a light ray is travelling from one point to other or one point to another point, will traverse a path for which, compared to all neighbor path, the time required is minimum, maximum or stationary. That is known as the what? Fermat principle. So see here, here one point is there, here one point. So light is travelling from here to there. Okay. Suppose take here one point and here one point, or light is travelling from here to here, or take here to here. Okay. So see the first line, a light ray is travelling from one point to another will traverse for a path. So light travelling means it traverses a path compared to all the neighbouring points. What are the neighbouring points? So see here, whatever the points, these point is nothing but what? Neighbouring points. Suppose consider these points. So 1, consider this as 1. So neighbouring is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So next is what? It required what? Minimum, maximum or stationary time. So that is known as the what? Fermat principle of extreme path or the Fermat principle of stationary time. Okay. Got it? So this is what? Fermat principle of stationary time. So next we will see the derivation of first law of reflection. So next here, derivation of first law of reflection. So here one diagram is there. First of all, I will draw this diagram. So see here, diagram is like this. Okay, this is what? Mirror, and here one point is there, here one point. It is touches to point O. This point is A, B, C and D, and one more point is there, that is N, and here one point is there, that is P, and next we are drawing or touching AP as well as what? PB. Okay. So see here, consider a plane mirror and a plane ABCD. So here we are considering a plane mirror and a plane ABCD. Okay. So next here, ABCD normal to it. The incident ray AO is reflected along OB. So here AO is what? It is the incident ray. So already I draw the diagram. AO is what? It is the incident ray which is reflected along OB. Okay. So next see here, ON is a normal at the point of incidence. So ON is what? It is the normal at the point of incidence. Got it? Here AO is what? Incident ray, OB is reflected ray, and ON is a normal to the point of the incident. So next here, the ray AO, OB and ON lie on a same plane. So whatever the AO, next OB and ON all are lie in a what? Same plane. So that is plane A, B, C, D. Got it? So this is the what? Explanation of the diagram. So next see here, suppose a light ray is reflected from a point P. Suppose here one reflection will be takes place from 0 to B. Suppose the reflection will take in this place, we have to draw a point P. Okay. So connect AP as well as the BP. So see here, suppose a light ray is reflected from a point P where OP is normal to the plane ABCD. So here normal is what? OP. So in this ON is normal and in this OP is normal. So next here, the incident ray AB is reflected along BP. So this is the incident ray AP which is reflected along what? PB or BP. So what is the conclusion here? So see here, AP, this dotted line AP is greater than AO. Okay, next see here, PB is greater than OB. So like that, AP plus what? PB is greater than AO plus OB. Okay. So AP plus PB is greater than AO plus OB. So which is against the Fermat principle. So therefore the path AP plus PB is greater than AO plus OB. So which is against the Fermat principle. So the conclusion of first law of reflection here, therefore P must coincide with O. So P must coincide with O for the path to be minimum. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, O ಮತ್ತು P coincide ಆಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ with respect to a minimum time. So hence according to the first law of reflection, AO, OB and ON lie in a same plane. Okay. So this is what first law of reflection. Okay. So in today's class already we studied what? Fermat's principle in a stationary time, as well as what? First law of reflection. So in first law we have to what? Explain the diagram. Okay. What is AO? OB. AO is what? Incident ray, reflected ray, normal, which is lie in a same plane. If suppose this is reflected on this side, means we have to take a point P and drawing or connecting AP as well as the PB. Next we have to compare all these, that is AP is greater than AO, BP is greater than OB and AP plus PB is greater than what? AO plus OB. So the conclusion or the definition of our first law of reflection is what? AO, OP and ON is lie in a same plane, or incident ray, reflection ray and normal ray, that is lie in a same plane. Okay. So this complete your first law of reflection. Okay. In next class we will continue, that is the second law of reflection. Okay. Thank you.